Okay, welcome to my channel. This is A Square Maths Made Easy Academy. Now we are kicking off a continuation of the first 100 questions for higher institution. Once again, I remain your humble tutor, A Square. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, A Square Maths Made Easy Academy. And also, please comment and share also, and comment in the comment section. Now, if you look at my last video, you found out that we stopped at question number 28. On that particular logarithm that I skipped, the reason was that the question was not complete. Now, that is why I left it. Now, look at the question here. So, we are continuing with the question. Now, watch. Question number 29. This is part 6. Now, the question says, simplify 1 all over log AB base A plus 1 all over log AB base what? B. Now, this is very simple. Are you with me now? Now, we're given 1 all over log AB base what? A. Then plus 1 all over log what? AB base what? B. I want you to understand this. We are going to convert this to double logarithm. And I want you to recall that anytime you encounter log A to base B, it's going to be log what? A all over log what? B. Are you with me? That's exactly what happens here. Now, because it is an inverse, so which means this one A will move up, so that it will not give you log A divided by log what? B. Are you with me? Then plus, this one also will move up. It will give you log B divided by what? Log what? AB. Now, the next thing is to take the LCM. Now, they're not the same thing. The LCM is log what? AB. Are you there? If log AB cancels log AB, it will remain log what? A. I mean, AB cancels, remain 1 times log A should give you log what? A. Plus, log AB divided log AB will give you 1. 1 times log B will give you log what? B. Now, don't forget there is a law in logarithm that when you are given log, are you with me? A plus log what? B, all it is in base 10. Just pick one and multiply the value. That's exactly what happened here. It's in base 10, and base 10. So just pick one of the logs here, then multiply the value. Since it's addition, it will give you log AB divided by log what? AB. Finally, log AB divided by log AB will give you 1. Just like somebody said 2 over 2, is it not 1? So do we have 1 in the option? Yes, the correct answer is option what? A. Now let's move to the second word question. I say second word question. Now I want you to watch. Now this very particular question, we are going to apply using calculator word method. And I have taught you so many countless times on how to solve an indices that lead to quadratic equation using calculator word method. Now number 30. The question says we should solve the equation. The equation is 2 raised to power 2x minus bracket. What do we have? 2 raised to power what? X. Then plus 1 close bracket. Then plus 8. Everything should be equal to what? 0. Now look up everyone. We're going to center on this using calculator word method. Now wherever you are, I just want you to fill in this. I will just use my voice note, use my word, then you now know how to punch it. Now already I have taught you this. Now what you should do now is to clear the function key. Now we have shift 9 3 equal to what? AC. Now let's try now. Remember the first question is to punch 2. Are you there? I have done that. Now next is to punch raised to the power. This is raised to the power. It is X box, power box, punch it. Then it has moved up. The next thing is to Q is 2, right? I'll punch 2. Then followed by X. How do we generate X? Countless times I have told you how to do it. It is alpha, close bracket. X has what? Appear. Then move forward the button key. Then next is to Q in minus 3. Are you there? Then open the bracket. So what do we have again? I'll Q in inside 2. Then raise to the power. I'll still punch X box. Then I'll Q in X plus 1. How? X is alpha, close bracket. then plus what? 1. Are you there? Then go forward the button key and close the what? Bracket. So the next thing is to punch plus what? 8. Are you there? Then what next is equal to? Equal to is alpha, close bracket. Then you punch 0. You punch what? 0. Now this is exactly what is inside. The question is exactly what is inside the calculator. Then the next thing finally is to punch shift and calc. It will say solve for x. Then you now punch the number equal to and expect the answer. Are you with me now? So it's still putting, then expect the answer. The answer have appeared. We have 1 and 0. 1 and 0. So which means we are going to pick what? 1. We are going to pick what? 1. Don't forget we have 1 and 0. For you to confirm it now, punch equal to. Only one value will appear, which is 1. Am I communicating now? Now, since we have gotten the value of x as what? 1. So we look for, since x is equal to 1, we now look for a number that is greater than 1 first. And those numbers are, we start with 2. Are you there? Followed by 3, followed by 4. All these numbers, we are going to use it as an assumed number. Remember, we have punched the number equal to. Now, I will assume, number to be 2 here now, which means I'll punch 2. Are you with me now? Then punch equal to and expect the second question. Wow, it has given you 2 and what? 0. Can you see that now? We have assumed x to be 2 and punch it. It has given me 2 and 0 again. So we pick the up one, which is 2. So, but if you want to confirm it, punch the number equal to 2 have appeared, which means x is also what? 2. Can you see that we have dissolved it? So which means the possible values of x, they are what? 1 or what? 2. Now let us look at the option. No, it cannot be option A. It cannot be option B. Wow, the correct answer is option what? C. And that is all using calculator method. Now, do you remember that you can as well assume that to be 3? Assume that to be 4. You still get the same answer, which is what? 2. Let's move to question number 31. Now, be careful on this type of inequality. The question says we should solve the inequality, which is x plus 4 over x minus what? 1, then greater than what? 2. Now, by right, we're supposed to agree with me that we do what we call this multiply this. Am I communicating? Just normal language, cross multiply. Please be careful. Don't do it in that way. Now, this greater than can also be what? Less than. In this kind of inequality, it has a rule that is guiding it. The first thing you are going to do is to achieve by introducing minus 2 across. Now, we said introducing what? Minus 2 what? Across. Are you with me now? Minus 2 what? Across. So that we have x plus 4. Then all over x minus what? 1. Then introduce minus 2. Then greater than what is here? 2. Introduce minus 2. Can you see that now it will give us x plus 4? Are you there? Then all over x minus 1. Then minus 2 greater than 2 minus 2 will give you 0. Now it is a bit okay here. Then what are we going to do? Convert everything into fraction. This is in fraction, but this one is not in fraction. So which means this thing that you're seeing can be written like this. What's the denominator? X minus what? 1. I will now say x plus 4. Are you there? All over x minus 1. I will now say minus 2. Open the bracket. Then multiply by the denominator, which is x minus 1, and still divide it by the denominator, which is x minus 1. That is the concept. And it becomes greater than what? 0. Are you with me now? Now you can agree with me that if I cancel this one, it will still generate the same value. Then what next? Take the LCM. Take the what? LCM. Now what is the LCM here? Watch. The LCM is x minus 1, right? Then this cancel this. It will remain, I said the LCM. What's the LCM? The LCM is what? X minus 1. This cancel this x minus 1 to give you 1. Multiply with the numerator, you have x plus 4. Are you with me? Now what is here? Minus. Are you with me? Open. This is 2, right? Now this divide this will still give you 1. Then what remain now? Open bracket x minus 1, close bracket. How? When x cancels x, it will give you what? 1. Multiply by this. We have this. Everything should be greater than what? 0. Now let's open the bracket. I have x plus 4. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. Are you with me? Then all over x minus 1, then greater than what? 0. Now if you continue, now you have x minus 2x will give you minus what? X. Are you there? Plus 4 plus 2 will give you plus what? 6. Then all over x minus 1 greater than what? 0. Now be careful here. We are going to analyze. Now at this point we call it a critical what point. Do you know why it's called a critical point? It could be less than, it could be what? Greater than. Then we assume both the denominator and the numerator to be what? Greater than 0. Greater than what? 0. I will now start from the numerator and say minus x plus 6 is greater than 0, and x minus 1 is also greater than what? 0. Now let's make this subject now. I will now take plus 6 this way. It becomes minus 6 greater than what? Minus 6. And x is greater than, x minus 1 is greater than what? 0. Now I want to make this subject of the formula. The coefficient of x is minus 1. And there is a rule or a law in inequality that any time you have a coefficient that is negative, the sign of the, as you are dividing, the sign of the inequality, if it is less, it will change to greater. And if it is greater, it will change to what? Less. Now the coefficient is 1, minus 1. I will now say minus x. Are you with me now? From greater, it will change to less than over minus 1. I'm dividing 2 by minus 1. Minus 6 over what? Minus what? 1. And this one is what? X. As I cross over this way, it becomes greater than what? Greater than what? 1. Are you with me now? So you can agree with me that minus will cancel minus. Then here we go. What do we expect here? I want you to watch. Now, so if you continue, we now have just x. Are you with me now? Is less than, minus we go with minus. 6 over 1 will give you 6. Are you with me? And here x is greater than 1. Can you observe that now? This thing implies that x lies between 1 and what? 6. Then which means all of them should be less like this. Let's describe it and know if it is true. Now watch everyone. 1 is less than x, but x should be greater than what? 1. What is here? X is greater than 1. It is true. Now here x is less than 6. What is here? X is less than 6. It is true. Now this could have been the final answer. But using interval what? Notation. You can remember I said x is a member. Are you with me? Now since there is no equal to, justify this one, use bracket, then 1 comma. Here also is 6. There is no equal to, use bracket. And this is the final word answer. Do you have something like that in the option? Let's go. It cannot be option A. No, it cannot be option B. It cannot be option C. Oh wow, it is option what? D. And that is the final word answer. Now this is exactly how to solve. You have a lot of mysteries and as far as inequality is what concerned. So let's continue. That is how to approach this. When you have a rational inequality. Are you with me now? It is less than or it is greater than. Please approach it like this. Now let's continue. Question number 32. What did I say? Question number 32. Look at it. Given that P of x, look at it, P of what? X is equal to x squared minus 2 what? X, then plus 1. And they give us G of x to be what? What is it? X minus 1. Now the question, evaluate P of x all over G of what? X. Now the question is for us to divide. Now it is very simple. I want you to observe this calculator now. We are given P of x. What is P of x? X squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by G of x, which is x minus 1. Now you can solve the numerator first using calculator what? Method under equation. Now remember, I want to teach you now as usual. Now are you ready? Just punch, clear the function key, sheet 9 3 equal to AC. Are you with me now? Now let's solve the numerator first. Punch mode and 5. That is equation. Are you with me now? Now check where there is power 2. Power 2 falls on number 3. Punch what? 3. Then let's begin to cue in the coefficient one after the other. The coefficient of x squared is 1. Punch what? 1 with equal to. Coefficient of x is minus 2. Punch minus 2. Are you with me? Then with equal to. Finally, the constant is 1. Punch 1 then with what? Equal to. Now let's get the answer. Punch equal to. The first value of x, which is x1, look up here. The first value, which is x1, should be equal to 1. Punch another equal to. The second one again is also 1. So which means another value for x2 is also 1. Now be careful. The answer is already there. How? Since I've gotten the first value, which is x to be 1, I want to equate it as 0. So which means I will carry this one this way. It becomes x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the other one again, or is also x equal to 1. I want to equate it to be equal to 0. Carry 1 this way. It becomes x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the expansion of this is this. Now are you there? Can we now say p of what? X all over g of what? X is now equal to, we have expanded this. What is the result? X minus 1 in bracket, another x minus 1 in bracket, divided by the denominator, which is x minus 1. Wow. Can you see that this one will terminate this one? What is the answer now? X minus 1. Let's check from the option. Do you have x minus 1? No, no. Yes. Oh my goodness. The correct answer is option what? B. Are you with me now? Now let's move to question number 33. What did I say? Question number what? 33. Question number what? 33. Now what does the question say? That we should expand, look at it, expand sod 5 plus 2, are you there? All raised to the power of 4. Then plus sod, open bracket, sod 5 minus 2, all raised to the power of what? 4. Now do you know why I love this calculator? It can add the thing fast. Now this means you should expand it how many times? 4 times. It will take a long time. Expand it how many times? 4. It will also take a long time. Now use calculator. Now this is my calculator. Are you with me now? This is sort. Now what do? Clear the function key first. We are punch shift 9 3 equal to AC. Are you there now? Now to start off with, the first thing is open bracket, which is this one, followed by sort 5. This is sort. Then punch word 5. Navigate from the sort. Press the right button. The next one is plus 2. Are you there? Then close the bracket. All to the power of word 4. This is x to power block. Punch it. Then create word 4. I'm done with the first side. Then I will forward the button key again. The next thing to punch is plus. Are you with me? Then open the bracket. I have opened it. Now what do we have again? Sod 5. Q in sod 5. Then navigate from the sod. You punch the right button. Then next is minus 2, right? Then close the bracket. Then raise to the power. This is x raised to the power. Are you with me? Then you punch word 4. I have done exactly what is in the board. What is the next thing? Punch equal to. Wow, the answer is 322. We have it as what? 322. You have 322 in the option. It can't be this. No, it can't be this. Wow, the correct answer is option what? C. Are you with me now? Now the next question is question number 34. What did I say? Question number 34. Now, the question says, if z is equal to 1 plus r, and the question says we should evaluate the modulus of a complex number, which is z squared minus 1 over what? Z. Oh my goodness. Now watch. The calculator can solve this as well. Now what do I do first? I will clear the function key. Shift 9 3 equal to and what? AC. And what? AC. Then watch. Are you following? Now let's punch. This is a step on modulus. Let's punch mode. I'm saying it. Hear me vocally. Mode and 2. We are now in complex. We are now in what? Complex. Are you with me now? Now let's Q in the value. Look at it, Z. We're already given Z, right? Now the first Z is squared. Are you with me? So the first thing we're going to do is to punch open bracket. What's the value? What's the first one? 1. Punch 1. Then plus. Next is I. I is imaginary number. How do we punch it? It's already in complex. Punch ENG. I will do what? Appear. Then close the bracket. Close the what? Bracket. Are you with me? Then after then, you now punch x raised to power 2. I am done with the first one. Am I communicating? Now look at the first one. The next thing to punch again is minus. This is minus. Are you with me now? I've punched minus. Then open the bracket. This time around, it has numerator and the denominator. Now create these two boxes. I've punched the two boxes. Can we Q in the values now? Oh yes. What's the numerator? 1. then go downward button and create the value of what? Z. Am I complicating? Z is still what? 1. Don't forget 1 plus I. What is I? Punch ENG. Am I complicating? Then migrate. Now punch the right button so that it will be clicking at the what? Middle. Then close the bracket. Do you understand what I did? Can you see I have queued in exactly what I supposed to? Now what do I do again? To know the word modulus, I will punch shift and word 2. Oh my goodness, it has given us 3 things. Number 1 is the argument. Number 2 is the conjugate. Number 3, look at it, modulus and the argument. Then you press number 3, please. Can you see how it goes now? Then finally I will punch equal to. Wow. Can you see that now? It has given me so 26 over 2 angle 101.309 stuff. We are not looking for the angle. We are looking for the modulus. What's the modulus? So 26 over 2. So which means the answer here is so 26 all over 2. Do you have it in the option? Oh yes. Option what? A. The final. What did I say? The final question. The final what? Question. Which is question number 35. What did I say? Question number 35. The question says we should simplify n factorial all over n plus 1 all what factorial. This is actually very simple. What do? We consider among these two expressions and know the one that is bigger. Now you can agree with me that n plus 1 all factorial is bigger than n factorial. So which means I'm going to leave n factorial constant and divide. Then expand this n plus 1 all factorial. I have taught this in my video under permutation and word combination factorial. Now what do we start? The law is that you will start with the number given, which is n plus 1. Are you with me now? It will now decrease to n plus what? 0. Are you with me now? So you can agree with me that n plus 0 will give you the value of the numerator, which is n. Then what you will do now, introduce just factorial. That is all. Am I communicating? Then what do we have? You can agree with me that this is n factorial, right? All over n plus 1 in bracket close. N plus 0 is n. Then all what? Factorial. Something is about to happen here. Now what do you take? N factorial down. We cancel n factorial up. So what is meant at the numerator? 1 all over. Denominator is n plus 1, and that is the final word answer. Do you have anything like that in the option? Now watch. Option A says 1 over n. No. Option B says 1 over n plus 1. Wow. So the correct answer is option what? B. Please, I'm begging, as you have watched this video, please comment on the comment section. I beg. Then help me and share it. Then tell others to subscribe. I promise I will deliver. Thank you so much. I remain your humble teacher, A Square. Thank you.